Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes, Anish.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, now in our app ID, we also discuss about, in our theory session, we discuss about the encryption and decryption. Remember the decryption, guys? Remember?
Yes,
Yes.
Anish.
Okay. So what we have discussed, okay, theoretically, that we are right now we are going to implement practically in our Palo Alto device. Okay. So let me just overview this thing again. This is,
Did you start recording this, Anish?
yeah, started. Stop recording or started?
Start.
Okay. Okay, let me just overview the thing again, what we have seen in our theory session of the app ID. Okay, so in the app ID, okay, now suppose this is one user Bob. Okay, now here is one user Bob. Okay. Okay, now he connects one outside website, one any other website using SSL and TLS, using SSL. Okay. So we all know that the SSL is a secure form, right? Okay, what is the port number for SSL? Port number for SSL, guys.
80.
443.
443. Someone saying
443 HTTPS.
Someone saying 880.
So that's HTTP. HTTPS is 443.
I'm asking only SSL.
Yeah, 443.
Right. So 443 is the port number. So we know that. So in the 443 SSL and TLS protocol. Okay. So the traffic, whatever traffic pass through. Okay. All this traffic. Good. Thank you. All this traffic combines into one encryption. Okay, so suppose here's a Bob wants to access any kind of website using the SSL protocol. Okay, so all the data got encrypted here. All the data got encrypted, and it will decrypt over here when it reaches the website, particular website, like Facebook. Facebook also uses SSL, right? Right.
Yes, Anish.
Good. Okay, Facebook. Right. So we have one option in application ID called decryption. SSL decryption. So what happens? Suppose if anyone using SSL or TLS protocol, okay. So this Palo Alto device, this user, and this Palo Alto device, they whole create one SSL session between this Bob user and the Palo Alto device with this interface. Okay. Here they make one SSL session here. Okay, and the outside zone and the ISP, the website, they will also make one SSL session here. Okay, so in between here, so all the data got encrypted here. All the data got decrypted here, and Palo Alto device can check what is there inside the encryption. What kind of payloads are there inside the encryption? So Palo Alto has this ability to check the SSL encrypted data also. The Palo Alto device decrypt the data, then check it out what is there under the payloads of the data, of the traffic, and again it will forward the same traffic in the form of the encryption mode. So this is the decryption that we already seen in our last session. Okay, so I just go
Anish.
to this thing. Yes.
Anish, can you explain the decryption of the Palo Alto device?
This one.
Not the entire thing, but just the decryption, how it is done in the Palo Alto device.
Simple thing. Okay, so Palo Alto work as a proxy between the Bob and the SSL website, ISP site. Okay, so whatever data, so in the Palo Alto, they will make two SSL sessions. They will make two SSL sessions. Okay, they will make two SSL sessions. So here the data got encrypted and Palo Alto device check all the data. So again, between these two, the outside zone, this interface, and the outside ISP site, Facebook. So they also make one encryption here, and they send the data to the website in the encryption format. So here between two sessions, they will encrypt the data and again decrypt the data, the device itself.
Okay, okay.
Anish, what do you mean by 2 sessions?
2 sessions, I'm not saying the 2 sessions, but the data is divided into 2 parts. There are 2 encryption sessions we can see between the Bob user and the Palo Alto device. The one interface which is connected, Bob is connected. Here there is one encryption session, and the outside zone and the ISP side, the website which is using SSL encryption. So between these two has one more SSL session. So there are 2 sessions here, 1 and 2.
Anish, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
So suppose here, as you said, like Bob user wants to send information.
Mm-hmm.
So the information sent by Bob is to be encrypted, right? So
Yes.
who does the encryption? Just Bob or Bob with Palo Alto?
Bob doesn't know that the data got encrypted.
Okay, so they take the help of Palo Alto and encrypt it.
Right.
And then Palo Alto then decrypts the same information and checks it here in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And then it again encrypts this information in the same form and sends it to the ISP.
Right. So no one, even the ISP site, the Facebook.com, also, and the Bob, they are not able to see all these things
Okay.
because they Bob says the encrypted message, right? The Facebook also receive encrypted message.
Okay. Okay. Mhm.
What happened between these two? Say they don't care about this. Okay. Now let's just
Anish,
yes.
Anish, one thing. So when Bob sends it to Palo Alto device, so it decrypts it, it's again encrypts it, right?
Right.
So for
Here,
sending it to ISP. So
here it
yeah,
will
so
decrypt.
and encrypt.
Here it will encrypt.
Yeah, so is the key used for encrypting when before when Bob sends it, it is encrypted, right?
Right.
So does that encryption key and the one which Palo Alto encrypts the key both are same or
Yes.
different?
No, so they depend upon what kind of encryption method they use. The keys depend upon that.
Oh, okay. So they are not the same thing.
They are not the same thing, okay, but they all Palo Alto also know the big keys, public keys.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Yeah.
what is public key, private keys? Okay, if you want to learn this thing, so you need to take some advanced knowledge or all this thing, like
Yeah.
cryptography.
That's fine.
We can say
Yeah. I know.
cryptography.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Yeah. So in that you have the better understanding what is public key, what is private key.
Yeah. I know. I just wanted to understand whether we have used two different keys or the
Don't
same
worry,
key is
don't
used.
worry. I will show. We will once we start performing the practical, then you understood the things.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, so understood this first. What we are going to see now. Okay, so let's just do this practically. Okay, so there are a few steps here. So let's just show you here. This is so first thing what we need to do. First, we are going to create one certificate in the Palo Alto. First, we are going to create one certificate in the Palo Alto. Okay. Then after creating a certificate, then we tells the client, which is who is our client in this diagram. In this diagram,
ISP.
mm,
Oh, client. Server. PC1. Bob.
Bob. Bob is our client. So we tell Bob that the certificate is trusted. What we have created. Okay. And after importing the certificate to the client side, then we are going to create one decryption policy into our Palo Alto device. So these are 3 steps that we are going to see, and we are going to use the same Facebook application. What we can say example. We are going to use the same example of Facebook. Okay, so first thing we need to first log in into Palo Alto device. So let's just do it. Yes, so we already logged in. Okay, so on the Palo Alto device, we need to go to device here. Okay, Okay, under the device, we need to go to the certificate, this one. We need to click on certificates. Here, under the certificate management, under device, certificate management, we need to click on certificates. Okay, now here, there are no certificates. So we are going to create one certificate here. So how to create this? So let me show you here. Just a minute. We are going to click here, generate. Going to click on generate to generate one certificate, to create one certificate. Someone is using that. So click on generate here. Okay, so we name the certificate that we can say outbound certificate. We can say this certificate name outbound certificate, and we can give one common name that we can say PAN OS FW certificate. PAN OS FW certificate. Okay, and we are going to create here certified authority. This is the certified authority. Okay, now your question, Akash, the cryptography settings. Yeah,
Okay.
this is the answer. The
So
algorithm,
that is for
the
the
number
Palo
of
Alto
bits.
device. That is for the Palo Alto device, right?
Yes, this we are creating one certificate. Like when you access any kind of website. So in the have you ever checked the certificate in your operating system?
Long time ago, but I don't remember the
Okay,
steps.
so there are some trusted certificate, there are uncommon certificate. Okay, so
Yeah.
when you access any kind of secure website like a bank, any banking website, so they all work on this certificate, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here we are creating one certificate from Palo Alto device. So this certificate, we are going to import this certificate into our Bob user system, into our Bob system, and Bob
Okay.
can see that this is the certified application, certified by PAN-OS.
Okay.
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 So we are not going to change the algorithm. Okay, so here you can change the algorithm, the cryptography settings, whatever your requirement is there. Okay, whatever algorithm you want to generate a certificate. So for that algorithm, you can generate a certificate from here. Okay, so we are not going to change anything. Let it be the default one. Yeah, let it be the default one. Okay, you can change from here also. Okay, then here we are going to click on add. Okay, and we are going to add our country name. So what is the country name, guys? US, right? United States. Then we are going to add the state. What is the state, guys? Imran, what is state over there?
Yes, sir.
What is
Texas.
okay? TX. Let me just type here.
TX.
It's not coming. Okay, let me just type here Texas. Okay. Then after this, we are going to add here the locality. So what is the locality? In which area our office is there?
Houston. KT. KATY.
Okay. Okay. Then we can say organization. What is the organization, guys?
Oh, nice.
Right. So you have to create this kind of certificate attributes. You have to create this kind of certificate attributes, guys. Okay, so after creating this, what we need to do? We need to click on generate. Okay, so successfully generated certificate and a key pair. You can see it also generated one key pair also. Somebody is asking something. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
Shredeep.
Yeah, Anish.
Okay, can we discuss this thing in later on
Yeah,
for
that's
this
what I
session?
wanted to know when. Yeah,
Yeah, if you want to discuss something, you can call me up. You have my number, right?
sure. Okay, Anish. Yeah.
Yeah. So we will
Yeah.
discuss the same after this session.
Okay, Anish. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, so we can see here we create one certificate here. Okay, with a certificate and with a key also. Okay, now we are going to click on the certificate. Okay, now what we are going to see here, we are going to choose the certificate information as a forward trust certificate. If it's not working forward trust, so we can also choose here the forward untrust certificate also. Okay, and we are going to choose this trusted root C. So this kind of certificate, guys. So you want to know about all these things, or when you have to choose which kind of certificate. Okay, so that you need to first know about the cryptography. You need to know about the cryptography, guys. Okay, and you can see here the certificate expires date. What is the date here?
September 13th,
September 13,
September 13 year.
2017.
2017.
Right. Certificate expires automatically on this date. Okay, so what we have done, we create the certificate on file. Okay. Now second thing, tell client certificate is trusted. So what we are going to see, we are going to import the certificate which we have created. Let me show you here. We are going to import the certificate which we have created. This one. We are going to import this from the Palo Alto to this user box. So there are so many methods to import the certificate. You can do the external. You can use any kind of network sharing option to share the certificate into the Palo in this Bob user. You can use also any external devices like any pen drive or any kind of devices. Okay, but here what we are going to do. Okay, we are going to access Palo Alto device. This Palo Alto device from the Bob machine. From Bob machine, and in that machine we are going to import the certificate. In that machine we are going to import the certificate. Okay, so Umran, now you need to help me out with this.
Okay.
Okay, so what you need to do first, okay, just in this inside zone system, you need to first let me just allow this because I block everything for that. So let me just allow this basic internet thing in the policies. Enable this because you are not able to. Okay, Umran, you need to once this status completed, the commit status. Okay, then you need to join. You have to open the GoToMeeting in this inside zone system. Okay, and over there you need to logged in, join this meeting from the system.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so wait till here. Let's just complete the commitment status. Okay, now log into this GoToMeeting.
Okay, doing. नहीं GoTo मीटिंग ही नहीं चल रहा.
What we are doing here, okay, this is our Bob system. Okay, so in the Bob system, okay, in the Bob system, what we are going to do, we are going to we are going to access this payload device using the management IP address, and we are going to log in here. We are going to log in here. So you can see here that we are logged in into the payload device. Okay, now enter the dashboard. You can see logged in admin. So here we can say there are two admins logged in. Here you can see there are two admins because right now I am also accessing this payload device here in my system. Okay, and you can see this is also logged in into from 213 also. Yeah. Okay, so there are two admin logins here, and the which one is using right now. So you can see here the timing for the timing which is going on 4828. So that is the current one, this one. Okay, now in this device what we are going to do, we are going to import the certificate which we have created. Okay, so which we have created. So you need to go to the device. Okay, so you there, Ashish, you available on paid phone, right? Ashish, can you hear me?
Yes, Anish. Yes, I can listen to you now.
Yeah. So in this, guys, you can see. Okay, now Ashish, just you just show them the logged in into admin. So there are two admins here. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Show them that there are two login admins. Can you see the dashboard, the logged in admins over there?
Yes.
Okay, so there are two admins which you are logged in right now. So one I am accessing in one another desktop, and second one which we access in a Bob system. Okay, so the first one which you can see here that the timing is going on, so that is ideal. That is we are now accessing the Bob user one. Okay, now next step is what we are going to import the certificates which we have created. Okay, so go to device, Ashish.
Yes, I'm going there.
Okay, you can, under device you need to go click on certificates,
On the device,
certificate management, certificates.
yes, here it is.
Okay. Okay, now in the certificate, select the certificate. Select this, select, yes, select the certificate, and Okay, can you remove this GoToMeeting screen sharing is showing your screen, the downware. No, yes, you're good. Okay, now in here you can see there is one option called import and export.
Yes.
Okay, so you need to click on
Yes.
export.
Okay.
You need to click on export. So click on export. So there's one direct box open here. Okay, so the file format base64 encoded. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now here we are exporting the certificate which we have created, and here in this option we have one option also that export private license key. Okay, so but we don't want to export the license key. We just want to export only certificate. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, we are not going to export the license key. So you need to select here
Okay.
base64 encoded certificate in bracket PEM. Yes, this one only.
This one, right?
Yes, this one. Okay, then click on OK.
Do I need to select the export private key?
No,
No, right?
we don't want to give this private key to this Bob. We just want to
Okay.
give the
Okay.
certificate. That's it. Click
Okay.
OK. Okay, so click on keep. You can see there's one file is downloading up there. Yes. So we download the outbound certificate here. Now we are going to import the certificate into our browser. So go to settings of your Google Chrome
Okay. What do you want me to do?
and go to settings of your Google Chrome. Yes. Now go to settings over there. Okay, in the search box, can you see the search settings?
Yes.
Type here, not here, not here, not here.
That's
Up, 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 up.
okay. Okay. In the search setting.
Yeah. Type here certificate. Okay. So this is the easiest way to find the option how to manage certificate. So click on manage certificate.
Okay.
Okay, so here we have the option for manage certificate. So we have personal, other option, then intermediate certificate authority, trusted root certificate. Okay, so we are going to click on trusted root certificate authorities. So click on trusted root certificate authorities. Okay, now we are going to import our certificate. Just check it out. So the Palo Alto certificate is not there. Can you scroll down the certificates? All the certificates. So these are all the different certificates that we have used. Okay, so we are going to import the certificates which we have downloaded. So click on import. Next.
Next.
Yes. Browse. Go to download. Yes, select the certificate. Okay,
Next.
that's fine. Next. Okay, wait.
Next.
Wait. We need to upload this. Okay, so we are going to put the certificate in trusted root certificate authorities. But click on browse here. Click on browse here. We have the different options. In which option we need to put the certificate, like personal certificate, third party certificate, enterprise trust, whatever. So we are going to put this into the second one, trusted root certificate authorities. Select the second one and click OK. Next. Finish. Yes. Okay. Now scroll down, you will find our certificate in this list. Yes, this one. Can you see the pan OS? Up, 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 up. Yes, this one. Pan OS. The certificate which we have created. Okay, so we import the certificate. Okay, close this. Close the settings also. Now log out from this Palo Alto device. Okay, now let me share my screen first. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
good. Okay, so here, mm, not here, here, mm, here. So okay, we complete the first two steps. Create a certificate on Firewall, so we already created. Okay, and we import the same certificate in the Bob system. Okay. Now the third step, we are going to create one policy, decryption policy. We are going to create one decryption policy here in our Firewall. Okay, so between the Bob user and the outside bot, the Facebook.com. Okay, so we are going to use the Facebook as an example here. Okay. Okay, so in this SSL decryption policy, okay, so we apply this certificate SSL decryption only to the social networks like Facebook, any other sites, but we are not going to apply this at the banking websites like Bank of America, PayPal. We don't want to imply the certificate. If we apply the certificate and there are any kind of banking websites, okay, where the financial transaction you are doing over there, okay, so this Palo Alto device will get to know your user ID and password. The Palo Alto device will get to know your user ID and password, guys. Are you getting my point?
Yes, Anish. Yes, Anish.
Okay, so we are applying this on this, not on except the banking websites. We are not going
Okay.
to apply the decryption policy on any kind of website like Bank of America, PayPal, like this kind of, because over there we have the financial, we are logged into our financial systems, right, in our bank accounts. So it is possible that anyone can have your bank account details, the login ID password. Okay, so we are not going to apply this. We are going to apply this on the Facebook only because the Facebook is also working on SSL. Okay, so to do this, we are going to first go to policies. So we have the policies here. You can see here we have one FB rule. We have one rule for internet going access. So here under the policy we have to click on decryption. Okay, under decryption there you can see here there are no by default rules here. There are no by default rules here. So we are going to first add one rule here. So click on add here. Okay, now we are going to name this rule. So we can say outbound command, outbound SSL mm, okay, decrypt policy. Okay, that is up to you guys. Whatever name you want to choose, you can choose your whatever name you want to choose. But always choose the name appropriate to the policy. Don't choose your girlfriend name over here.
Girlfriend name. Okay.
Don't choose your girlfriend name or your loved one's name. Okay? You just need to choose a name according to the policy what you are creating. Okay. Now here you have to click on source. So we have our source is our inside zone. Okay, then source address. We have the source address. Click on add. Select the source address. The inside access. Okay. Then source user, we right now we won't have any users here. We click on destinations. Our destination zone, outside zone. Okay. Then under destination address, we are going to choose here any. We don't want to mention any IP address over here. Okay. Now important thing here, the service and URL category. Service and URL category here. Okay. So here we are going to mention. So we are going to choose the service here any, but under the URL category, we are going to choose one category in which we want to apply this decryption policy. We are going to choose one category in which we are going to apply this decryption policy. So click on add here to add any kind of category here. Now here there are so many categories in this Palo Alto device. Okay, so here we want to apply this into the social network on Facebook. So here we need to choose one category like social networking. Select this. So this will apply social networking. This decryption policy will apply to social networking websites only. Then after choosing the category, then click on options. Then here we need to select decrypt. Okay, then the type SSL forward proxy. Why we choose here SSL forward proxy? Any idea? Why we choose the type here SSL forward proxy, guys?
Because we are using SSL. I mean, the starting we told that it has to use SSL for encryption decryption.
But here there are so many things like SSL proxy, SSL inbound inspection. Why we choose the SSL forward proxy?
Maybe it's
Okay,
because it's a connection between the user and the Palo Alto system, so it is forward.
okay. Now, at the starting of the session, I explain you that there are two different SSL sessions. Yes.
Is it because it's because of the gateway protocol, the one that we learned in the firewall starting when we learned about the packet filtering and then the gateway, which is also a proxy.
Right.
So this falls
Okay.
under that category.
Right. So what you are saying, that's absolutely perfect. Okay, but I can say on different manner. Okay, so in the starting of the session, I will explain you this thing. That I will explain you with the diagram. There are two different SSL sessions between the Bob user and the Palo Alto inside zone, inside interface. Right. And there is one more SSL connection session, we can say, between outside interface and the outside world, the facebook.com or any other website. Okay, so we choose a SSL forward proxy. So in the first zone between the Bob and the inside zone of your Palo Alto, so there is one encryption here. So this will do the decryption, encrypted data decrypt here, and Palo Alto device will check this data, and it will again encrypt the same data and forward to the ISP or the website which we are trying to access using SSL. That's why here we choose SSL forward proxy. So this will forward the whole the SSL format only. This will forward the SSL format only, the encrypted format data to the particular website. Then click OK here. Then we want to implement this. So click on commit. Commit. Okay, now we are going to check this whether it is working well or not. How to check this? Any idea? How we are going to check the certificate which we have applied this is working?
Can you check in your browser, Manish?
Yes.
Can it for the task?
Can you? My
Can you
question
check it
is
in the
what?
browser?
Yes, my question is what? That we create one decryption policy, okay, between the inside zone to the outside zone, and under the URL category we choose the social networks, right? Now, so we create the decryption policy. Now we need to check whether this policy is working fine or not. So how we gonna check this?
By accessing some website and checking Facebook itself.
And access any?
Access Facebook itself and can we check it?
Okay, where we need to access Facebook?
In the Windows
The Bob
browser.
website, Bob, so that would be a virtual computer
Yeah, we need
inside
to.
our VMware
Not here, not
on
in
PC1,
VMware. Yeah, in the Bob system,
Yeah.
right?
which is 1/2, right?
Bob system. Right now the Ashish has shared the one screen with us. So in that system,
Oh, okay. Okay, that system. Okay.
yeah, that is Bob system. Okay, so first
Yeah.
we need to wait here. Once this apply this settings over there, then we are going to check this. Okay, we apply this decryption policy only to the social networking. So we also need to check whether this will apply only to social networking or any other banking website like PayPal. Okay, so Ashish. Hello Ashish.
Yes, Anish. Yes, Anish.
So I'm going to give you the access again. There's
Okay.
Encryprion system. The Bob system. You push. I'm going to give you the access to share the screen of the system. Just
Just give me a moment.
hold on.
Yes.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Hold on, guys. Shush.
Yes.
Share the screen. Okay, now click on login over there. Yes. Okay, now access Facebook.
Okay.
What is that?
Your clock is ahead. A private connection to the facebook.com can't be established because your computer's date and time are incorrect.
Change the date and time first. Which time zone you selected? Yes. Still.
Attackers might be trying to steal your information on facebook.com. There's so much security on this.
No, it has to work. No. Wait. Close this browser. This tab, not browser. Now access again. Not this one.
Hope it will work. Oh, no. Connection is not private.
Any other website? Google is working. Okay, any other social website?
Social.
Twitter.
Again, the same message. Your connection is not private.
The connection not? Just a minute.
Go to advanced and can you change it there?
Click on advanced. Okay, Twitter memory user encryption to go to the information. Okay, now after applying this certificate, have you closed the browser and restart it again?
नहीं होगा. Yes, Anish, can you say that again?
Yeah, just close the browser, everything,
Okay,
whole browser.
got it. Already closed.
Not everything.
It's already closed actually. There's a lot of
स्क्रीन
lag.
शेयरिंग कैसे आएगा? गो टू मीटिंग था ना?
गो टू मीटिंग जब भी वो भी बंद हो गया होगा, वापस उसको लॉगिन करो.
Meeting ID 171484317, I guess.
317. Okay, now
Still, your connection is not private.
we are not able to see anything.
There's a lot of lag actually, Anish.
Okay, now click on the triangle over there. Can you see the triangle over there?
Which one?
Besides HTTPS, not here.
Okay.
Triangle.
Triangle?
Red triangle, yes. Click over there. Okay, what is that? Click on details. Details. Details.
Your connection to this site is not private and
Details.
the page is insecure, certificate error.
What is the certificate? View certificate. Click on view certificate. What is that?
Issued by PAN OSFW certificate.
No.
That this certificate has expired or is not yet valid.
Wait a moment. Let me just. Okay, which time zone you applied with this Palo Alto device?
It's I guess minus 6.03. What is the time zone for this Palo Alto device? 10. Central time, na?
सेंट्रल ही होगा. लोग चेक करते हैं GUI पे.
And in this system, check it out.
In this system, yes, it is the central time, UTC.
The Palo Alto device.
In the Palo Alto पे.
US Pacific.
हाँ Pacific time है इधर.
Pacific है.
हाँ और टाइम भी वैलिड है. 8 बजे से लिखा है.
It's a Pacific time on the Palo Alto device.
So I can change this. Change here also.
Wait, can you change that to central time?
Okay.
Change it out here in the system.
In this system?
Yes. Not in the Palo Alto.
Okay, leave it. रहने दे तू. सुन, रहने दे. उधर मैं Pacific कर रहा हूँ. एक काम करेगा, मेरे को कॉल आ रही है, करेगा इधर. इसमें हाँ, इस पे ना पैसिफिक टाइम जोन डाल. एक सेकंड डाल.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Good. Okay, click OK over here. Try to access any of the social websites. Still, why it says page is insecure. Let me just check this out again.
Yes. Hi. I just got a call from you.
Just a minute, please. Okay, now what is the time zone in this Palo Alto device?
Pacific.
Can you please change it out?
Head west, then turn right.
Ashish?
Sir, Ashish is on call. Umran here.
Yeah, Umran, can you please change the timing in the change this time zone in the Palo Alto device?
Okay, I am doing it. Change it to Central.
Yeah. What you are following in the Texas? Which time zone you following in the Texas?
Signal. हाँ उधर से उधर पैसिफिक करा अभी रिसेंटली कर रहा हूँ तेरा क्या हुआ खाना खाऊं बस So time zone changed in Palo Alto and my inside PC also same error.
Wait. The page is secured by a valid HTTPS. It's valid. It says valid. Close the browser. All the tabs except all the
Go to meeting
no
with
no
close
no no
that.
no 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 not go to meeting. The remaining three. Now open the new tab.
Okay.
Now access any other social network site. Has to What is the certificate expire or not yet valid?
It is not valid, sir.
Why? It has to be. Okay, let me just regenerate the certificate. Just hold on. Just be here.
Okay.
Do it again. Just be here. Just a minute. Renew the certificate. Same certificate. Okay, Umran. Hello. Hello, Umran. Sorry. Umran, Ashish, both of you. Anyone is there?
Yes, sir.
Someone is calling me.
So Ashish is only calling, sir.
Okay.
Something like that. You can once talk to him, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, now just access a Palo Alto device in this inside zone. Okay, first,
Okay.
and import the certificate again.
Okay.
Hello, Ashish. Ashish.
Hello. Yes, Anish. Actually, I was on the call with my vendor.
Okay, Umran is there.
Yes, Imran is there. Actually, I have to leave right now because it's an urgent call.
Fine,
So if
fine.
you
So
don't
you,
mind.
yeah, I don't mind, but Umran is there, right? So Umran, please respond.
Okay.
Hello, Umran. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now close this or everything. Now access the Palo Alto in this system, the lab system, the inside zone system.
Oh, you did access to that system?
Yes. I don't want this. Okay, you shared screen. You already shared one screen with us, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so close the certification one or everything over here.
Okay.
Okay. access the Palo Alto here in the new tab. Okay. Okay, before importing the new certificate, we need to remove this old one. Fine, we just first need to download this. What happened?
Anish sir,
Yes.
sir, Ashish has one Skype interview now, so he wants to go home and get ready.
Okay.
I'm taking him home, sir. It's like 15 minutes from office, so we won't be available for 15 minutes.
Okay, but you are available, right?
I'm taking him home, sir. I got car today.
Oh, fine. So you just give me 5 minutes. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just go to device now. Go to certificate. Yeah, is there. Select the certificate. Export. Click on export.
Import, export.
Okay, click OK over here. Click on keep. Okay, fine. Now go to settings of your browser, Google Chrome. In the search, type your certificate. Okay, click on manage certificate. Now click on trusted root certificate.
This one, trusted root. Click on import.
Okay, first remove. Wait. Cancel this one. Cancel.
Then feedback.
Remove the certificate which we have imported earlier, the Palo Alto one.
Pan, PPP. Yeah, remove it.
Yeah, this one. Remove.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, go to
Now
import. Next.
import.
Browse. This one. Open. Next. Yes, trusted
That is
domain
better.
UAE.
Fine.
Click next. Finish. Yes. Okay.
Close.
Close settings.
Okay, now sign up from. Okay, find face. Open Facebook.
Now it's working fine, Nish.
Okay, now click on this log icon in the Facebook only. Can you see the log icon over there? Yes. Click on details.
View certificate.
View certificate. Now, guys, hello. Everyone is here.
Yeah, Anish.
Okay,
Yes,
click on
Anish.
details
Yes,
again.
Anish.
Yeah.
So the certificate which we issued here, this is working fine. Okay, so this is the decryption policy, guys. Okay, so Imran, Ashish. Hello. Hello, guys. Oh yeah.